a soul. I am a peaceful soul. I want to become Karmatit, Baba. I am a soul. I am a peaceful soul. I am a soul. I am a peaceful soul. I want to become Karmatit, Baba. I am a soul. I am a peaceful soul.
Darthi, where are you? Can you help me please? Today we have Brahma Bhojan.
No, I'm sitting in yoga, so I can't help you. I want to become Karmatit. I am a soul. I am an all-rounder soul. I don't belong to this world. I am going beyond.
I'm very busy in the kitchen.
I'm also very busy in yoga. I want to enjoy only silence.
There is a student for the course. Can you attend him?
I can't waste my time in speaking. Call him another day. I am a soul. I am world benefactor. I am serving through my mind. I am sending the vibrations of love, peace, and happiness to all the souls of the world.
Darthi! Darthi! Can you come and offer bhog to Baba? Bhog is ready.
Don't disturb me.
I'm busy with another work.
Don't disturb me. I'm not going to do anything at all today.
Ankita. How are you, Ankita? I wish you are here to help me. I'm very tired. That is not helping at all. When there is work, she sits for yoga. She is a problematic child. She always gives me trouble.
Baba, this sister is very disturbing. Whenever I want to do some yoga, she always creates work for me. It disturbs me, Baba. Please, Baba, help me and find some way so that I can do some yoga. I am an angel. I am light. I am master bestower of happiness.
ઓ માય ગોડ, કઈ છે નહીં ભણવાનું ને મારું મગજ જ કામ નથી કરતો. છોકરી તો મને ગાડી કરી નાખશે. Dharti, all students have come and so much work is remaining. All arrangement I have to do alone. Go and read morely. You should know today's Brahma Bhojan.
So what? Did I tell you to make Brahma Bhojan today?
I am working alone since morning, sir. I am very tired. Only because of you.
You are not tired because of me, and I don't care. I informed you since morning not to disturb me. Better to leave me alone. I want to become Karmatit, Baba.
Baba, I can't do anything until she is here. She disturbs me a lot. Never helps in anything. She makes me tired. I can't become perfect when I'm alone. What's happened? Why you are like this?
I did 10 hours meditation today. But still I am not feeling light. I did not enjoy.
Why?
It was boring and I feel something is missing. I did not achieve what I wanted to achieve. Something is missing.
Can I tell you something? to you? Actually, same thing happened to me today. Since morning, I was very busy in the kitchen in Baba's service. But end of the day, I'm not happy. I'm very much tired.
I think I need to change.
I think I need change too. Dharti,
Yes, sister.
can you come and help me, please?
Yes, coming.
Thank you.
What are you making?
I'm making something good.
So, shall I cut this? Can you show me the exact size,
yes, why
please?
not? Yes. Same size like this.
Okay. Can you check?
Wonderful.
This is finished.
Okay.
I think there is Mr. Dhiren who is coming today for the course. So I think he is there. So let me finish with him,
Yeah.
and then I come and help you.
Yes, let's go.
What is remaining?
Oh, Bhog is ready now.
Okay.
Can we go? And
Yes, let
Papa
me.
go to Baba?
Let's go together.
Yes.
शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। आया है लेके झूमती बहारें, रिमझिम बरसती स्नेह की फुहारें, रंग निराला है रूप सलोना, दिल चाहे उससे जुदा कब न होना। अब ना इंतजार कर, बैठना हिम्मत हार कर, प्रभु का तू दीदार कर ले मेरे मना। शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना।
was very nice day today.
Really.
So many students came and they were all happy. And Brahma Bhojan was also very tasty.
Wonderful. Thank you.
I really enjoyed today.
I can see.
It was so light. And you know that student who came, Dhiren Bhai, today? He was also very happy. He says, I really like the course. And yes, and he says, I can see light on your face.
Look. Wonderful. That is also Baba's service.
Yes. So it was so fulfilling, right?
Good. Yes. Yes, yes. Whole day I was also very much light. I feel light. And Baba's remembrance natural came.
Every day should be like this today.
Yes, yes. Why not? Because this is the end of time now.
So we should invite every day these students for Brahma Bhojan?
We can.
So I think this is very important to balance karma and yoga.
Wonderful.
We cannot separate these two.
Yeah.
And we enjoy when we bring change in ourselves.
Yes.
Instead of changing others and struggling.
We should change first.
Yes.
Then world will change.
So I'm still having so much energy. So
Oh, good.
can we go and remember Baba?
Yes, yes. Why not? I was waiting for that.
Let's remember Baba. Here.
अरे शिव की याद रहेगी तब आँखों में समाया वो होगा हम